In this video, we are going to see how we can deal with the purchase of services in Sage. As you can see here on 12th of January, it says purchase dyeing services from Shelby Dyeing Mills on credit. So these are dyeing charges. Our main business is to buy the raw materials from the market and sell the finished goods as shirts or pants. But we don't have dyeing unit that dyes the cloth in different colors. As you all know that whenever we purchase the threads or cloth from market in its raw form, it's in white color. So we need dyeing services for that. Now this is kind of services that we are purchasing from external vendor because we don't have this dyeing unit. So how we can enter this? Just click on vendors and purchases and go to enter bills and click on new bill. Since this is a new vendor, name is Shelby Dyeing Mills. Just copy the name, click on new. And this is V500 Shelby Dyeing Mills. Whatever we purchase from this vendor will be cost of sales for services. So we can create a cost of sales account on, let's say 5350, because that's free. We have 5300, we have 5400. So let's create a new one. Cost of sales 5350, and right here cost of sales for services. Choose the account, which is cost of sales, and click save and close out of here. 5350, I'll choose this one, and rest all set. Click on save, close out of here. Just select this vendor, and we also need to create an item for that. That will be a service item. We don't have it already, so click on new, and we can mention this code as SER or SRV, which is the abbreviation of service 001. And this is for dyeing services. Services. Item class will be service item. So I'll choose this service right here. And since we are only purchasing this service, I'll just enter the description for the purchases. And rest all is set. GL sales account is set by default. Salary or wages account is not applicable. And cost of sales account, I'll just link it to cost of sales for services, which we just created. And rest all is fine. Click save and close out of here. We just select this particular service item. Quantity, we can mention 1. GL account, just make sure it is affected in cost of sales for services. And now we mention 25,000 here. If you're unable to copy and paste, just double click on the cell, copy it from inside, and then paste it right here. Before saving, if you want to confirm that everything is fine, just make sure that the date is correct. I should change it to 12th of January. Due date is automatically set. If you want to check the journal entry effect that it's affecting the right accounts, before even saving, you can do that. So click on the journal from the top, and here cost of sales for services is debit and accounts payable is credit. Perfect entry. That's how you do it. Click on save. So this is how we can deal with the purchase of services on credit in Sage. Just try it by yourself, and I will see you in the next one.